Our lesson today is about inverse operations. So go ahead and write the title, Inverse Operations. And operations are just things like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. An inverse means that they undo one another. So, for example, if you have 5 plus 2 equals 7, you can write 7 minus 2 equals 5. So you've undone that problem because it's a fact family. So we have a fact family right there. So addition and subtraction are inverse operations with one another. Let's look at multiplication and division. So with our division, let's say we have 3 items in each group and we have 2 groups. We can write a multiplication problem for this. We could say groups times items in group equals in all, or items in all. So let's look at our groups. Well, we could either do 2 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 2. So let's look at it going vertically. So we have a group here, we have a group here, and we have a group here. So how many groups do we have? Equal groups. We have 3. And then how many items in each group? We have 1, 2. Now let's count up how many in all. This is like an array that we've drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's our multiplication problem. Let's look at it as a division problem. Remember, the division problem looks something like this. In all, items in all, divided by your groups will give you the number of items in each group. So the total in all is 6, divided by how many groups you have, 3, and that'll give you 2 items in each group. So we undid the multiplication problem by doing the opposite with division. It's just a fact family. So multiplication and division are inverse operations. And you could also call them fact families. All right, I can't wait to dive into this with you guys. So make sure you have your notes ready on Monday. You should have inverse operations, and you also should have done the multiplication related to division notes. All right, talk to you later.